In this lecture, we will discuss another example which is related to this type, that is find integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2t into t into cos t dt. ओके, सो ह्या पद्धतीचा पहिलं एक्झाम्पल आपण प्रिव्हियस लेक्चरमध्ये ऑलरेडी सॉल्व केलेलं आहे. सो चेक करूया हाऊ टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. ऑफकोर्स डिरेक्टली इंटिग्रेशन सॉल्व करायला गेलं तर इंटिग्रेशन पॉसिबल आहे का? ऑफकोर्स नॉट. सो फॉर दॅट पर्पज वी विल यूज द concept of a Laplace transformation, that is a definition of a Laplace transformation, and that definition we have already discussed in lecture number 1. So that definition is Laplace of f of t is equal to integration 0 to infinity, and this is nothing but a range of a t e raised to minus st into f of t dt. Now compare this RHS with given equation, that is we have a range 0 to infinity. Of course our definition also have range 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2t. Here we have a e raised to minus st, so that means we have a value s, that is s is equal to how much? 2, and f of t is equal to how much? T cos t and dt. Okay, so with the help of this definition, that is with the help of this RHS, then we will create its LHS, that is this integration we will take it as it is. Then with the help of this value, that is when we have a f of t here, then its a total value will give us value L of ft. Similarly, we have now t cos t in place of f of t, then its LHS will be Laplace of t into cos t. Okay, so we will denote this as a equation number 1. Now to find the value of this RHS, we will do one thing, that is we will do one step, that is we will find the value of this Laplace transformation. So our step number 1 is, that is my step number 1. I'll consider that LHS, that is L of t into cos t, and this is nothing but what? Of course multiplication by t. t ने multiply केला एखाद्या टर्मला, then our formula will be, that is minus 1 raised to 1, because t has a power 1, therefore minus 1 will contain a power 1. Again d by ds, of course it will contain a power 1, because t has a power 1, therefore d by ds will contain a power 1. Now this is for t. Now apply Laplace on remaining term, that is Laplace of my cos t. Okay, so this is my formula by effect of a multiplication by t. Now we will find the value of this function. For that purpose, take this minus 1 raised to 1 is minus 1, therefore take this minus 1 as it is. D by ds raised to 1, that means d by ds. Now what is the Laplace of cos t? By with the help of standard formulae, cos at will give us Laplace, its a value will be s divided by s square plus a square, but a is here what? 1, so 1 square, that is a 1. Okay, now to find the value of this derivative, we will use one formula. That formula is when we have a d by dx and function is like this, that is u divided by v, so that will give us value, that is take my denominator as it is, that is v, and take derivative of a numerator, that is du divided by dx, minus take u as it is, that is my numerator, and take derivative of denominator and divide by denominator its a square. Okay, so with the help of this formula we will solve this function, because here we have a function s in numerator and in denominator also, and we have a derivative with respect to s. Okay, so with the help of this formula, now take this minus sign as it is, that is minus 1, and its value will be, take denominator as it is, that is s square plus 1, derivative of numerator, that is into 1, okay, minus take numerator as it is, that is s, and derivative of denominator, that means how much? 2s, divide by this denominator its a square, that is a s square plus 1 its a square. Okay, so complete this bracket. So its value will be this minus into this, okay, minus sign, and this एक power आणि इथला एक power will get cancelled to each other, then remaining term will be minus 1 divided by this s square plus 1, okay, this minus into minus, that is a plus sign, that is a 2s is its a square, divided by this s square plus 1 its a square. Okay, so with the help of our given question, that is this is our question, and in given question we have a function of value of s, and that value is here, compare this e raised to minus st into e raised to minus 2t. So s is equal to how much? 2. Okay, to find this value, that is this value, we will put only value of s in place of s, and that value is s is equal to 2. Okay, so this is minus 1 divided by 2 square, that is 4, 4 plus 1 is a 5, plus 2 square, that is a 4, 4 into 2 is 8, divide by 2 square plus 1, 4 plus 1 5, 5 its square, that is a 25. Again this minus 5 plus 8 divide by this 25, and its value will be 3 divided by 25. Hence we have obtained the value of given integration, and that value is 3 divided by 25.